Hey guys, and today we are back with some Digimon trading cards. We have 2 packs of the Great Legends, which is booster set 4, and then we have the next adventure, which is booster 7. Again, ordered from the Dice Cup. Great guys, go show them some love. Also, I believe these ones were like a tie-in for the revival series they did, but not officially. Also officially, I'm not too sure. I'm probably going to start with these because these are the ones I'm most curious about. I'm hoping I can get into these with less difficulty than I did last time. First thing he says, and then he immediately can't get in. It's fine, I have a knife. He says. That goes through it like butter. Gonna be one of these days, is it? All else fails. Sharp pointy object will be fine. I need to replace the blade on that. Been a while since I've used it, to be fair. So I've mostly used that one for when I'm doing model kits. Okay. So first off, we have a Metal Kabuterimon. Oh, and that looks really nice. Ultra Turbulence. Grumblemon. Things that most people will probably call me. Got a Tidal Wave. Eisman, that looks cool. Really like that. Got a Darugamon. Gigastorm. To be fair, if I can pull one of these, I'll be really happy. Love me a little Metal Greymon. Electric Rush. Basurimon? Basurimon? Maybe? Beetlemon. Ooh, shiny Betamon. That's nice. And the final card mark is Systemon Seal Awakened. That's really nice. So those are 2 rares. You can just go up here out of the way. Actually no, I'll bring them down. And you guys can still see them. Also, thank you everyone who watched the last video. I really wasn't expecting anybody to actually watch that. Or at least nowhere near as many people as they did, so thank you very much. I don't really do a lot of YouTube stuff. I mostly just stream, so if you're interested in ever seeing me do anything live, I will pop my Twitch below, and you guys can pop over if you want. I have found a private server that I play on for Digimon Masters Online. Very active, and the mods love to mess with me while I'm playing games, which is always fun. Okay, so first one we've got is a Ghostmon. I really like the art for that. Really spooky. Monochromon. Always nice. He looks so much happier in this than he does in the games. Got a Pulsemon. Tigermon. I think I pulled one of these in the last one I did. I think it was a different art. I like that art. That one's nice. Nemon. Gigasmon. Orochimon. That looks cool. Is that a Leomon at the beginning? I'm not too sure. Speaking of, Kaiser Leomon. That's cool. Avenged Kidmon. Ooh. That looks really nice. I want to keep that there. I don't know if it's a rare or not, but I like the art. Eosmon, that looks really cool. Koji Minamoto. And then for our last card, Kazuchimon. You look badass. I'm running out of spaces for these cards. I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. We'll move these. I'll put those over there. I'll move these up out of the way because I'm not opening those just yet. Focus. Good camera. I'm just not even gonna try and open these normally now. I'm just going to keep using the knife because if I don't, I'm probably going to mess it up. And this makes my life a lot easier. Already see that shiny in the back. Okay, what we got? Wow! That's Luigi. Wamon. Kazemon or Kazemon, depending on how you pronounce it. Ooh. That's a cool looking Saber Leon one. I can go there. King Wamon. Virtusmon. Deadly Axemon. Kumamon. Beowulfmon. Dorimon. And you are a... That's a name. Rahimon? Ooh. What are you? Ancient Mega Theriumimon. Sure. And then Takia Canberra, even. Some of the art on these is really nice. I really like the full art, almost, on this, like kind of pop out. Really like the System on one. Definitely not any other reasons than it looks cool. I just buggered that back opening. Okay. We've got a Korikakumon. Monitormon. Dino Memory Boost. A Wendigomon. Monochromon. Halloweenmon. That was cool. King Wamon. Kokomon. Rihimon. Aldermon. Ancient Kazemon. Ooh, you're very nice. And then a Wegarurumon. Ooh. That's even nicer. Okay, that was the last pack of the next. It's a shame we didn't pull a Metal Greymon. Now we're on to the Great Legends packs. Feels heavier. I don't know if it means anything with these. It doesn't in Magic. I know it can in Pokemon. But people will weigh their packs. And I'm just like, no. I get what I get. If I get shit, I get shit. If I get good, I won't know until after the video. And I won't know till I've at least... Why is that? Huh? That's a new one. Why do you come with that? I've messed this pack up a lot. Okay. I messed up the other side as well. Of course I did. There we go. Why do you come with one of these? Huh. Oh, so the super in this is Lilymon? Lilamon? Dandevimon, Plutomon. Another Chaosmon. The Valderon. Ancient Greymon, Ancient Garurumon, and Lucimon are all secret rares. Gogmamon is another super rare, and Blastmon is a super rare. Okay. See, this is nice. This is a cheat sheet. more of these need to come with this, so you know. Okay. So we got a Tank Digimon. That's cool as shit. Neo Devimon. That boy Agumon. Tobiumon. That's Welsh. Nothing can tell me otherwise. Just, you've got an I in a wrong place. Leolmon? Sure. Sangomon? Vermilimon? Sure. I'll drag you into the depths. Agunimon. A Bakemon. You're in the back of one of the other cards. In the pile. We got a pollen spray. Pollen spray I think is supposed to be one of the rares. And then we get a Zed Garurumon. That looks cool. Just realised that's completely blown out because of the lighting. It'd be real nice if my camera would keep things in focus. Okay, this is the last one. Oh, it's another player 2-pack. So it's another cheat sheet that we don't need. Okay, first is a Purge Shine. Geogreymon. It looks so good. That's one of the you can get Geo Agumon in Digimon Masters. A clip of that somewhere. Skull Scorpiomon. The big bad from the original. Devimon. Final Zubagon Punch. I hope I'm pronouncing some of these right, otherwise I'm going to get roasted. Kudamon. Another Sangomon. Got a Raseomon. She is thick. Lobomon. Got an Air of Dragon's Options. Marcus Damon was one of our rares. Oh, we pulled a Wargreymon. Oh, you look very nice. Are you one of the rares? Huh. So... You're not on the list. Like, at all. Or is it because this is only the second pack, or the other pack? That might be why. The Wargreymon is nice either way, I'm not gonna lie. I'm pretty pleased with that. That's some really cool looking cards. That's some thick looking cards too. But we won't go into that. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe if you do enjoy it, and hopefully I'll be able to do some more of this in the future. Go follow me on Twitch if you want to see me do some dumb shit live with my friends, or on my own. But yeah, I'll see you all next time. Bye!